We are harvesting potatoes. That's from the first bucket, or bag, these black bags. They got potatoes growing off of the potatoes.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Ooh, one of them's...
Ew, that's gross.
I don't know what happened to that one, but...
Most of them are looking nice.
Oh, the other... Yeah, the rest of them are...
That one's kind of gross.
So, yeah. That one's... Well, BBs. We'll just leave that one in there for compost.
Yep. I'm gonna put the dirt back in the bags. We got, what, 2 more to do?
So at least that, 2 or 3. Oops.
It's definitely more than we got last year.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you threw one in there.
That's the...
No, there's...
Oh. There was one hiding. Got it.
You threw one good one in there. That's what I was trying to say. I would have just done that after we...
Yeah, I'm just getting rid of some of it. Look at that big old guy.
Oh, he's huge.
There. Centipede. All kinds of little critters.
Those little centipedes are probably what happened to that potato.
Yeah, there's 3 more left.
That one looks like it's growing again.
Yeah. Trying to get the potato maybe have a start. It said no.
Oh, that's my red ones. I did Kennebec and red and I think that was it. 2 types.
Another not so good one.
That might have been my start.
That's what I was thinking. It was all a little tiny. Yeah, just when you think you got them all, you'll find another. See?
2 more. Kind of weird how these ones did.
Yeah.
Look at that. More reds.
Yeah. A good haul on this one.
I think my reds are doing better than the others. But all of it's better than last year because I got, what, 3 potatoes last year?
Something like that. It was pretty,
It was a sad harvest last year.
call it the learning curve. That was the first time we did it in the bags last year.
Well, one of them was from that volunteer plant out front, too.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a potato and a compost, if I remember right.
Yeah. We had 1 potato from it, and we had 2 from our bagged one.
Yep, there's our start.
Yep. Probably would have been easier if you dumped it over off of the main pile.
Yeah.
Well, I mean for the next one.
Yeah.
I think you got them all.
Yep. Just playing in the dirt. Last one.
And that one, I didn't have enough soil to fill it all the way up, so there might not be as much.
Yeah.
And it's another white one. Huh, there's already more than I thought there was going to be.
Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's your 14. Well, 16 if you call the little BBs.
I was going to say, some of those are awfully small. You got some in your hand?
Yep. Size one.
Some of those look like they're trying to grow again.
Yeah, we should save a couple of those for our start.
This one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one are all growing again.
Here's our starts for the next batch. There we go.
That is our potato harvest. I'd say we did pretty good this year, though we eat a lot more than that, so we need to start some more.
I think we try a few in the ground over there by the corn next time.
Next year?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I plan on doing in-ground in here when I get 2 more beds in there. I'm doing away with the bags eventually. I'm going to put 2 actual beds in the greenhouse. I'm not a big bag person. I'm finding. Yeah. But anyway, these will get put back in the bags. These right here.
Yep.
And I won't make you watch us put the dirt back in the bags. But that's our potato harvest for right now. You guys have a great day.